Hello, and welcome to the first tutorial on getting started with custom plugins for Command & Conquer Renegade. In this tutorial, I will explain how to get your free dedicated server ready for plugin use. To get started, we first need to download the server executable and install it. The executable can be found in the Renegade FTP server, of which I will link the URL in the description below. You're going to want to download the renegade_fds_1037.exe file. Download it to whichever location suits you best. After we've downloaded it, we can continue with the tutorial. Now that we've downloaded the install executable, we can go ahead and run it. Click Next, agree with the end user license agreement and click Next again. Make sure GameSpy is the selected game listing service and click Next. You can name your server here, but this can always be changed later in the settings file. I'm going to leave it as is for now. Set the connection speed to T1 1.5 megabits per second or better. Pick a destination folder for the installation. Any path will do. Do the same for the Program Manager group. Now you are ready to start the installation. I will skip this part as I already have it installed. After you've installed it, we can continue with the tutorial. As you might have noticed, the current server version is version 1037. But as of recording this, the latest Iberian Technologies version is version 4.6 update 7. We need to get our server to that latest version. This can be achieved by going to the Iberian Technologies website and navigating to the downloads page. Again, I will link this page in the description below. There you will find a download link for the latest server files. We can start upgrading our server once the download completed. Unpack the server files you've just downloaded using any unzip program. Windows 8 and up come with a default unzipper. Navigate into the server folder and then the server files folder. Select all files and folders and copy them. Navigate to the installation directory of your Renegade server. In this root directory, where server.exe is located, paste the files and folders you've just copied. Click Yes when prompted to overwrite existing files. Open up server.ini in the same root directory and find the entry Game Type. Change the value to GameSpy. You may ignore the nickname, password and serial fields. Verify that port and GameSpy port are the same. You might also need to forward this port in your router to let other people connect to your server. Save server.ini and close it. You are now set for the setting up Visual Studio tutorial.